You want to go back in time 59 years? Then hop into this 1956 Corvette. 225 horse, 2 4-barrel motor, 3-speed. You drive a Corvette like this, really the 56 first gen of the usable cars, you understand why they've been America's sports cars forever. Corvettes all have a feel about them that is direct. They take command of your experience. This car is just brilliant. Brings a smile to my face to drive it.
It's a 56. They put a V8 in it. It's rare with a 4-barrel. It's very rare with the power windows. And, you know, look at the car. One of the main things is this car has history. Absolute documented history. I mean, there are some books back there that show every bit of the restoration, how everything was done, every nut and bolt, plus huge number of awards on the car. The trunk is filled with awards.
There, you get about 2 and 5, 92, 95, 92, 95, 94, 95, here we get 5, 4, 6, 94, 96, 94, 96, 94, 96, here we get 5, 6. Thank you, boy, he did do Ducker, couldn't have got there without him. 94 to get 96, I appreciate you, sir. 94, 96, and everybody done, and I have. So, $94,000 EC.
The value of the 56 Corvette decreased shortly after 2015, but has remained steady since then. Down from the $94,000 hammer price, this Corvette would be worth $72,500 today.